Hello everyone, this is Providencia. Welcome to my channel. This is not a come cook with me video or a video with recipes. This is just a video of all the food that I made for Thanksgiving. Some of it was shortcuts and I just wanted to do a video. However, these videos will be on my channel very soon, so be on the lookout for that. Sorry I haven't posted any videos for like 2 weeks. It's just that with Thanksgiving coming, I had to redecorate my house with, holiday festivities and get ready for Thanksgiving as well. So I was really busy. However, here are some videos that I got from my TikTok so you can see everything that I made that day. And yes, I did recipes on everything, so be on the lookout for that. I should be working on those videos very soon. So let's just continue, and I'm going to tell you everything that I made this particular day. Also, I'm sorry if I didn't say happy Thanksgiving to everyone, but happy belated Thanksgiving. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it with your family. So let's go. I made 2 ham with pineapple and cherries. Oh my God, my kids love when I make that on Thanksgiving. That's tradition. I have to do that every Thanksgiving, either Thanksgiving or Christmas. So I did it this Thanksgiving and it was very delicious, juicy, all that. I do have a video on how I make my ham with pineapple and cherries, but I do it different every time. I work with what I have, but this recipe should be coming very soon on my channel, so just be on the lookout for that one. I also made some pastelillos de guayaba, which is guava. It's very good. My kids enjoyed that and devoured that, trust me. Some coquito. I did like 2 bottles and a half. I didn't really drink coquito. I know how to make it very good. I gave a full bottle to my older son. Forget it. He tore that up. But I really don't drink coquito. That day, I'm not gonna lie, I drank a lot of tequila shots. That's what I did drink. But my coquito is very good as well. Dominican potato salad. Oh, I love that salad. It is so good, especially with the carrots inside. Oh my God, I can't wait till you see this video. I already have finished seasoning up my turkey. I did it Spanish style and I put it in a turkey bag. That way it can marinate and it could just have all its seasoned there for the very next day. I made tres leche. I did make a full tray for my family, and then I told my older son to take a tray for him because he loves tres leche. That's why I made 2 trays. I made some nice garlicky bacon green beans. Oh my God. That was so good. I could have just ate that whole thing. I'm not even lying. It was that delicious. And I like the fact that the green beans are very thin. I don't really like green beans too fat. So it was perfect. Some deviled eggs. A lot of the things that you see here was my husband's first time tasting it. Since he's from the Dominican Republic, they don't make a lot of these type of stuff over there. So he loved every single thing that I made that day. That was his first time eating deviled eggs as well. I was going to make arroz con gandules, but I figured I'm going to do it for Christmas time and I'll make it more like Puerto Rican traditional. So I just decided to do like a vegetable rice. Now this is stuffing and I ain't gonna lie, it's from a box, but it was still good. I made some candy yams. Now I had made a mistake with these candy yams. When you see the video, you're gonna understand. But let me explain that mistake. I don't know. I like the fact that I made the mistake because it came out so good, these candy yams, that I'm probably gonna do that mistake all the time and just make it like that for real. Here is the ham. It's almost halfway cooked. I'm just showing it to you guys. If you do not follow me on TikTok, you should, or on social media. All of my information is in the description box below. You'll be able to see a whole bunch of skits, videos, and all of that before it even comes to this channel. So please follow me on social media. Here I made some turkey gravy. Yes, that's from a can. Don't judge. And the cranberry sauce is from a can, but I did a little twist to it. You'll just have to wait for the video and then you'll be able to see it. And look at that turkey. May I tell you that I have made a lot of turkeys in my days. But to me, that was the best turkey I ever did in my life. It was so juicy, delicious, moist, full of flavor. The best turkey I have ever did. And I think I'm gonna do it like that every year from now on. I can't wait till I post the video up for you guys to see how I made it. And here is the ham. I cut it up. I try to make it look as pretty as possible. And I sliced it up very nice. Oh my goodness, my kids love my ham. That ham was also so soft and moist. I just can't wait till you see the video. Please, when you see the video, please make this for your family. I promise you they're gonna love it. The yellow rice with vegetables, again, delicious. And I'm not saying that because I made it. I mean, I'm being for real. Everything was so delicious. My husband loved everything. My kids loved everything. I was like, wow. All the taste blended together. Beautiful. And this is all of like the cakes and stuff that we had that day. Now, I only made the tres leche and the pastelillos de guayaba. I'm sorry. But everything else, I'm sorry, I bought because I was not going to be cooking desserts either after I made all that food. So we have a little bit of this, a little bit of that as far as pies. And yeah, that's all of the dessert for that day. That's right. I know how to entertain my guests. And this is all the food. I laid it out on the counter. I recorded it for everyone could see what I made that day. And this is all the food that these lovely hands did. Of course, I took some shortcuts, but it was a struggle. Let me tell you something. I was cooking for like 2 days, all right? And it wasn't easy. It wasn't easy. I even broke down in one point because it was just all me. But I did it, and everybody was happy. It just could be a little stressful when you have fibromyalgia and you have to cook this much. It's not easy, you guys. Trust me. Those that have fibromyalgia or chronic illness could relate. They know what I'm talking about. And this is everything on the dinner table. So everything that you see here, every single thing, you're going to see it from start to finish. I'm debating if I should do one full video. It's going to be massive long, probably like an hour long, of everything that I made, like a come cook with me video, and then maybe do separate videos just for anybody who want to see it separately instead of seeing it one full hour. It's gonna be tough, but I think I'm gonna do it like that for everyone, could get to see just individual recipes instead of seeing a full video. So yes, that was my Thanksgiving dinner. You guys will be able to see it very, very soon. And I hope you guys had a lovely, lovely Thanksgiving, you guys. And that is it. I'm not gonna lie, I'm tired. I had a very long day, but that's about it. So take care. God bless. Be on the lookout for those videos. Press the notification bell so when I post, you'll be the first one to get it. And that's about it. Take care, you guys. Bye.